Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today, we're in the Meadowbrook neighborhood, and we're going to go over to Havendale, and it could be a little bit busy on the traffic. Madge is not with me today. I went and got the car washed, and it took a lot longer than I thought, so this video will be out late today, and I apologize for that. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get the show on the road and show you what I got to show you today. Hopefully it'll be enjoyable. It might be a little short, but we're gonna do it anyway. Bless up, y'all. Here we go. Okay, people. I can't go very slow right here because I got a lot of people. Got a lot of traffic right here. But you can see this is, you know, just a normal little neighborhood in Kingston. And we're gonna go down here to, I don't want to take that street. I don't want to take that one. I don't know why it wanted me to take that one. Well, maybe I did want to. Maybe I did want to take that one. You know, I'm already managed to get myself lost. Well, looking at the map too much. Those are kind of nice houses, you know. Nothing fancy, but they got big, nice. Oh, that's a pretty home. Oh, I like that one. This one you can't even see, but I see some pomegranate up there. So anyway, just, you know, there's some nice houses. I'm kind of going fast because the people behind me are going to be honking and carrying on. So see that? But you know, if you're gonna do video, oh, that's a pretty home. There's some really nice homes in here. Well, I'm glad I made a wrong turn. How can I barely start my journey and I've already managed to take a wrong turn? That don't even make any sense. I'm going way too fast, and I know that, people, but I cannot help myself because this neighborhood here is such that uh-oh, I don't think it intended for me to turn here. I'm so goofed out, people. No, I wanted to come here. I don't know why it's trying to have me go some other way. Okay, there's the Meadowbrook School. I don't know if you can see it. This house across from the school is the one I wanted to show you. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't that gorgeous? I like their colors. This house is nice here. There's just a few really nice homes along in here. Yeah, just some nice homes along in here. Okay, now we're going to turn on that. I don't know what street that was, but we're going to turn on Border Avenue. Oh, I ought to go straight. That's some pretty homes there. Well, next time we'll go down there. Next time. For today, we're going to go down this one. Ooh, we got some police. Some police. Okay. No, this isn't where I wanted to turn. I'm so messed up. I'm trying to film, and I'm watching people behind me. Oh, this is... I don't even know what street I turned on. What did I turn on? Turned on Cool Shade or something. But, you know, there's some nice places here. Well, that's not where I intended to turn, people. And I apologize. This is not a good time of day to be filming. I'm in a hurry. I got to get this posted. I'm in a big, you know, people behind me are always in a hurry. That's a nice home there. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. So I think I'm kind of right on the edge of Meadowbrook and Havendale, but I'm not exactly 100% sure. You know, now I was going to turn here, but now I've decided not to. I'm going to stay on, let me see what road this is. If I can figure it out. It's, yeah, this is Cool Shade Drive, people. Today we're taking a tour of Cool Shade Drive. I didn't even intend to do it this way, but this is the way it worked out, you know. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's a truly lovely home there. Look at that. Oh, I need to watch how I need to hold my camera up a little higher so y'all can see. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Look at this. Here, let me do it like this. There we go, there we go. I'm a little bit further away from it. Oh, that's just lovely. That's just a lovely home. And I think it's kind of nice over there too. Another nice, nice, nice home on Cool Shade. What? I had no idea that this beautiful neighborhood even existed. And here I am on Cool Shade, people. Here I am on Cool Shade. How cool is that to be on Cool Shade? And here's a big apartment buildings, real pretty. Really pretty. And then this home here. What? Oh, Madge is I'm gonna tell Madge what I did and she'll want to come over here. Look at that. I can't even tell you what kind of trees these are or flowers, because Madge isn't with me. And the only thing I know is that bougainvillea thing. And I don't even know if those are bougainvilleas over here. I just have, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, now there's a nice home over here. Check this out, people. Check this out. Wow. Oh, that's nice. We got a bright one over to the left here. I'm going to show you here in a minute. But for right now, I'm going to show you this one. This is really a nice looking house. Wow. I love their entry door. We're going to kind of try to do something like that too, I think. You know what? I should have known it was going to rain on me for two reasons. One, because I got the car washed. For two, because I found this lovely, lovely neighborhood and I'm trying to film. So, well, that's the trouble with getting your car washed. It can rain anytime here in Jamaica. Well, that's a nice home there. Alright, now I'm going to turn here. I kind of want to go down this road some more, but since it started raining, I think I'll turn. Oh boy, this rain is not what I wanted to have happen. I'm going to go straight, people. I'm going to go straight because I like this Cool Shade neighborhood, and I'm going to pull the camera in and clean off my lens. Oh boy. Well, I didn't do too bad. I got a few little spots on it, but mostly on my sound equipment. Oh boy. Alright, well, I'm going to just wait a minute here and see what happens. Just see what happens, people. Okay. Okay, it hasn't stopped raining, but it's not raining hard, so we're going to try it some more. Because these are just lovely, lovely homes. But I will just go one direction and just see how it goes. Oh my goodness. You know, people, I had no idea about all these neighborhoods. It doesn't seem, you know, I make a wrong turn and look, I'm going down a beautiful street. You know, it doesn't seem to matter where you go. It doesn't seem to matter where you go in this beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. Wow. Okay, well, maybe I should have turned, but that's okay. I wanted to, it's gonna start raining hard now. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh boy. Now it's gonna rain on me hard. Oh, that's a pretty apartment or house or whatever over there. No, it's a house. It's the Cool Shade Apartments. Let me see if I can get over there and get you a picture of it, people. Sorry I'm all zoomed in. I have it set for aiming it outdoors, not indoors right now. Alright, let's see. Here's the Cool Shade Apartments. I don't know how well you can see that through the glass, but you have to use your imagination. So, Well, people, I do apologize. This is going to be a very short video today, but I got the car washed and we got some rain out of it. Yeah, boy, you know. Oh, well, I could go a little further here. I could go a little further. I probably should go a little further. But I'm going to turn here. You're all just going to have to see the beauty through the windshield, same as me. Probably not what you all wanted to hear. Well, oh, that's pretty. Oh, I wish I could take the camera out and show you all this cool stuff. Oh my goodness. I feel bad. I feel bad for all my people who tuned in today to watch the video, and it's just going to be something. There's a nice house over there. I'm going to have to come over here again. This is just surely a shame. Surely a shame. Alright, well. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. Let me change this to indoor and we'll chat a little bit. How's that sound? How does that sound? Let me stop it here. I'm going to change it for an indoor zoom, and then we're going to chat a little while as we drive. Okay, here we go. All right, there, now you can see me better. And I wanted to have a little heart-to-heart chat with my people. You know, this video channel is done in Jamaica by Jamaican people. I'm Jamaican, but I speak American because that's where I was born and raised. Maisie, or Madge, is Jamaican, and so she speaks Patois or Jamaican English because that's where she was born and raised. Now, if any of you all want to jump on here and make comments about the way I talk or the way Madge talks, I'm going to block you from making comments on these videos. So I don't understand why people feel like they need to criticize us because of the way we were brought up and born and raised. So if you can't understand me and you can't understand Madge, or you can't understand either one of us well enough to enjoy the channel, move on. You're not going to enjoy it. But if you like the love we show to you, to each other, and for the country of Jamaica, and for these beautiful, beautiful neighborhoods that we drive through, keep watching. We love our viewers and subscribers. I'm not cussing any of you. I'm just telling you the way it is, straight up. And that's the Jamaican way, is to be honest with people. There's no reason to come on these comments and comment or be annoyed by certain words or phrases that we use. Now, if you're feeling, have I said something? Well, maybe you have. And some of you I've got after about it, and you straightened up, and you're some of our best viewers and subscribers. So I understand sometimes how people can be. But believe me, we've got plenty of people that love our channel the way it is. We don't need people coming on here saying, oh, you need to do this a certain way or that a certain way. Now, if it's a constructive suggestion about how to improve our channel, fine. But if all you're going to do is complain because you saw somebody's license plate, or because you think there's no way we should be taking pictures of people's houses because that's very invasive and intrusive, well, you don't have to watch this channel. Other people don't have a problem with it. YouTube doesn't have a problem with it. I don't have a problem with it. And if the people who I'm filming them, if they got a problem with it, they can come out and tell me and I'll cut it out of their video. But don't jump on here making comments and complaining about such foolishness. All right, I feel better. The only reason I even brought any of this up is because my video is too short today and I had to get a little bit longer. So, but my viewership's down and I'm not getting the views I want and I'm not getting the subscribers. So I do spend more time looking at and answering your comments than I do videoing and editing video. There are certain ways to filter out certain things out of the video. And you can hire people to do that for you. It costs about 1,500 pounds a month minimum, and possibly more depending on how many videos I do. It's probably more like 2,000 pounds, which I don't know the conversion rate right now, but I think that'd be about 2,500 American dollars, and that would be about, I don't know, Jamaican wise, that'd be, you know, like, what would that be? Whew. It'd be a ton. It'd be a ton. It'd be like $350,000. So that I'm not going to be able to do that. We're a small channel. We just cater to the people that love us. And if you're not one of those people, just move right along, because we got a happy community. And if we never gain one more subscriber or one more viewer, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with what we have. I love all my viewers and all my subscribers that are faithful and appreciate what we do. And I want you all to, if you think this channel's right for you, this is just a little taste. I want you to go look at some of our other videos and see what you think. If you like this sort of thing that Madge and I do, be sure and like and share the video too, because that'll help us grow the channel. Be sure and like, share, comment. I read every single comment. I really do, people. And I reply to almost every single one as well. And it's a thoughtful reply. It's not just some canned response, okay? And so, and subscribe. We're trying to hit 6,000 subscribers. And I think we can do it, but boy, the subscribers have really slowed down. Maybe because I have too many heart-to-heart chats. Y'all don't want to hear these, so whatever. But those of you that stick beside me through thick and thin, I love you. I appreciate you. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Blessings and respect. And all the other things you know I love to say. And we'll see you later in the next one.